Over to this training session. This is a welcome video, part 3. Today we are going to discuss on the applications of the softwares that have been incorporated in the dashboard or Arnold space. After going to your specific earning page, will show that there are a few tasks there. Among the basic tasks, all you are able to cover the responsibilities, but in case of specific tasks that is specially for serial number 5, Earn Money Unlimited under Group B. After clicking here, you will say that you will see these types of interface. After logging this interface, and if you go there, just logged in, I want to log out to show you the difference. These types of interface will come up, and you just click here, log in, and then you click here, then you will find these types of interface. So thing is that what we will do here, we have to cover up few tasks. Among them, especially right now, we are going to cover or collect only credit points. How we will start to cover up the credit point? Firstly, we have to go to offer button, then we'll click on the offer button, then we'll see that there are some video which are offering us for three credit. So we will click on that video only, which are showing these types of icon. Keep in mind, these types of icon, that is YouTube only, we will click on that type of video. And the question is that how much time we will see the video? What will be the duration? Will we see the full video or will we close it? Here you see, this is the time bar on the video. If you keep up the cursor here, you will see that time is calculating. You will see each and every video up to 10 seconds only. When it will go on cover up 10 seconds, then it will close it. Then you will see here either the point is added or not. Here we can see one point has been added. So the task is completed. In this way, we will watch the video. Then nextly, we will go here. We can see that the YouTube symbol is showing, and we will click here, view button, on the view button. Then the point will be added similarly. So the main thing is that here we will just collect credit point, and each and every credit point will be converted into US dollar. Another function, I think the main tasks of this website you have understood. The next task of this website will refer, will get the referral point, our referral link. Every user will get their referral link. After getting the referral link, they will This one is the referral. Just copy and you will forward it. If someone joined as per your reference, then he will start working under mastery.net. Then you will just send a mail that the person or your reference number, the person will be added under your reference number, so that when he will work out, you will get some benefit. These are the second objective of this website. So we can earn here by two mechanisms. One is we will directly achieve credit points. Number two is that we will appoint someone, referral body, or we join. We make some. We invite someone to join us, and if he joined and he worked, then we will get some benefit or bonus point from him. This is the two main objective and two main mechanism that we will cover up. In the judgment of the quality of the website, we will say that this website is not a highly paidable website. If we work 2 to 3 hours per day, then we will be able to achieve 100 to 200 US dollar per month from this website. So this is not a highly paidable website. This is a micro website. We are discussing this micro website because this website, to work on this website, there is no skill is required. No skill is required. That's why we are primarily discussing the website that are not required by any specific skill, or any specific skill is not required by the website, so that everybody can join here and everybody can earn here. This is the passive income and unlimited income. The more time you will invest, the more the earning will go up. The more the referral person will involve here, your earning will go up. So the thing is that we will maintain 3 points here. Number one, we will collect credit point. Number two, we will appoint someone, we will invite someone to join with us so that he can start working here and we can get profit here. After collecting specific amount of point, around 3 to 400 point, 4,000 point, we will sell the credit point. There are lots of persons who will buy this credit point to promote their website or page or Facebook page or Instagram or link page. Actually, this credit point are used to promote page, promote website. That's why they will purchase. And if any user has any website or any website or if any user have any website or any page, then he also can utilize it, or he also can purchase it. In that case, there are different mechanisms by which the website can be linked with this page, so that the website page will be promoted. So after collecting the specific amount of credit point, around 4,000, then we can sell it here. And there are specific another website. There are another website from at which we can sell the credit point. So the main objective is to earn credit point. And the second question is from this website, we can how much we can earn together if we provide full import. If we provide full import, then we can go up to 5,000 to 1,000. 500 to 1,000 US dollar we can earn from here if the electronic device is so fast and it can work well. Because you will watch only 10 seconds, only 10, just for only 10 seconds each and every video. When 10 seconds is reached, video will be closed, and then we will go for the next one. This way, we can work here and we can collect too much point. So thank you so much. And today we will close here because this website, the working pattern, the responsibility, and the design and the mechanism has been already discussed. I think you have understood well how we will work on this website. And then next we will discuss another amazing website by which we can earn more than $1,000 per month. If we provide 2 to 3 hours per day, then we'll be able to earn freely, and then we can sell that point freely. So thank you so much. Till then, we have a nice time.